Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make some avalanche slime. Now this took me a while to make because I couldn't find clear glue anywhere in any stores, and it was really hard for me to find the only store I went to was Michael's, and that's the one they had it in. So what you guys will be needing is some white glue and some clear glue, both of them, something mix it in, something mix it with, and this is not needed, but two food coloring or paint. It's definitely recommended so it could give it more of the avalanche effect. And you will also be needing some slime activator, link down below to go watch how I made it. But if you guys just want to make it yourself right now, then use 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of warm water. You will also be needing a container to put it in. If you put it in a plastic bag, it will not work, so you must have an airtight container. So first things first, we're going to be making our clear slimes. Now this is going to be the half of the clear slime, so yeah, and I'm going to be using red for this, and I'm just going to mix it in. Right here I'm adding in more red because I wanted more. Okay guys, so then add in your slime activator. As you can see here, it's already clumping up. Don't add in too much at a time or else it will ruin your slime and make it really thick and really breaky. So once you see it's about to be done, just grab it with your hands and start to knead it. And this is my finished product of the red slime. It came out really nice and stretchy and I really like it. So next one we're gonna be making is a blue slime. Adding in some blue paint. Then I'm adding in my activator. Putting some back in and then dumping more in. Then this is how it's done, basically. How it looks how it's done. Okay, so this one we're gonna be making the white slime, and don't add any food coloring to the white slime. It must be white. Okay, so that's the white slime done. Really nice and stretchy again. Okay, so these are the 3 ones. Well, the 3 slimes. So what you want to do is put the clear slimes first, half and half. I recommend you guys not to like mix all of the food coloring in the clear slimes, if that made any sense. But I did it. It still turned out pretty good though. So then seal it off, and you want to wait for 1 or 2 days so the white slime can get down and it can look like avalanche slime. So this is it in the 2 days. I'm so sorry for background noises, guys. So that was it guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Now if you want this to be full avalanche slime, make sure not to mix in all the food coloring or paint in the clear slimes. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.